In this video, we'll look at how to install the communication cable for using an IX camera on a DJI 600 or 600 Pro. With the UAV standing the right way up, start the installation by removing the top cover. There are 6 screws on the top cover which all need to be removed. First of all, remove the screws of the antenna. Next, we can release the other 4 screws and remove the top cover. Upon lifting the top cover, you will also need to unplug the small fan in here. Next, we can carefully lay this to the side. This is the DJI communication cable, which we will add to the UAV. Next, place the drone upside down, disconnect the power cable, and remove the bottom cover. This can be removed with no screws. Simply pinch the bottom cover and release. Now we can thread the DJI communication cable through from the bottom to the top of the drone. Make sure you thread this through where it will come out closest to the SDK port on the flight controller on top. We can then screw the small communication box to the bottom of the drone. Before re-adding the bottom cover, make sure that all cables are tucked away and you won't trap any between the bottom cover and the UAV. Once this is put back in place, we can reconnect the power cable. Finally, pull the cable through the top and connect the 4-pin connector to the SDK port in the A3 flight controller. Once this has been done, we can reconnect the fan on the top cover and re-add these screws. Once again, start with the antenna and make sure that all the arrows for the antennas are facing the same direction. Add these screws back in, ensuring that the top cover is secure in place.